All right guys, this is my first ride, the unicycle. I never rode this before. I actually play around with this in the house, but I never really done it. So I'm gonna do something unique here, never been done. It's I have one problem with this. One problem that I have is like I have to use the wall to just go forward, and I always get like I would say kicked out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. So let's see if I can do it. Hopefully I don't fall. First ride in the unicycle. Let's see. It's really weird because you have to use your leg. But I did it. So this actually helps. So if you have a stroller, you make sure you put your see? I'm basically standing. Let's see, one more time. Yeah, I couldn't balance. That's a problem about me. I couldn't balance this. Whew, it's gonna be rough. All right. Wow. Here you go. Yeah, it's not one of those thing like a one wheel, you know, you can just pick up right away, or a hoverboard. This takes some skills. I'm not really saying skill, it's just that you're using your shin muscle. And you know, when is the last time that we really use our shin muscles? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this camera here so you guys can see exactly what I had to go through, so you guys understand how this thing works. Wow. All right, let's go. Yeah. First day on the field. Whoa, it's tough. It's very tough. Hard to tell people, but we gotta do it, right? We gotta do it. So basically, you do this first. You're used to it. And you just get it. And once your body is used to it, go forward. So it's crazy. Some of these guys are going like 85 miles an hour. I'm not sorry, like going like 40, 35 miles an hour. I would say 60. These are freaking nuts. Because even me right now, I'm getting a hard time to do it. You can see here. Woo. So you gotta have motion. Let's do it, guys. Crazy. It's not for everyone. I don't think this unicycle. I don't think you can just purchase this and ready to ride. So it's one of those things that you have to practice yourself. And I'm a beginner, man. I'm just, you know, trying to put time on this thing is challenging for me because, you know, I have my son here, and I did practice around the house using the wall by holding onto the wall, but not going forward by itself. But I got a stroller here. I should have enough, you know. I would say more control, but we'll see. So yeah. Again, one more time. Hey, remember guys, I'm in a slow mode, so I put this in a slow mode I'm gonna do one more time. Ready? Get set. Woo! I actually turned that off. That's weird. Just pressing really quick, you can actually turn this off. One more time. And just practice. Yeah. Now you can see I have a little bit of control. Woo. A little bit of control, but it's still hard. One more time. Okay, I'm done after this. Alright, ready, Kai? Here you go. One more and I'm done. Yeah. More practice. It's not easy, like I thought it would be. Letting you guys know that. And the good thing about this, it has a handle, so yeah. Wow. I'm struggling. But this is my first unicycle that I actually owned, and basically you gotta forget everything you know about riding hoverboard and one wheel. This is another beast of riding a bicycle. Ow. Oh man, this thing can get you messed up if you know what you're doing. Wow. Thank you guys for tuning in my channel. Alright, Kai, let's go.